morning, this is Dane from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Contact number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2012 RG Colorado. Runs from 2012 all the way to the current shape. It has an LWN 2.8 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine powered by an auto 4-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front of the vehicle. Has 18-inch factory wheels with good tyre. Left-hand chrome electric mirror with indicator. Left-hand front and left-hand rear doors both sustained accident damage. So it has the left-hand side skirt or step. Left-hand rear factory 18-inch wheel. Once again, appears to have a good tyre. Left-hand LED type tail light. Chrome rear bar with parking sensor type. Factory full tow bar, comes complete with all your wiring, bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand side tail light, LED type. Tailgate, comes complete with handle, appears to be in good condition. Right hand rear 18-inch factory rim with good tyre. Right hand rear door has sustained damage in accident as well, so it has the right hand side step. Right hand front door appears to be in good condition. Right hand door mirror, once again it's chrome, electric with indicator type. Right hand front factory 18-inch mag with good tyre. Black cloth interior. Black center console with automatic gear stick. CD player. Courtesy light with sunglass holder. And there's your factory 3-spoke black steering wheel. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dane from Total Parts Plus.